Alright, so we're going to take a quick tour of the 75-foot motorsailer here. So, starting from the stern here, take a look here. This will just be a quick video. Won't go into too much detail this time around, but we'll get to that. Got about 900 pounds worth of, maybe even 1,000 pounds worth of anchor on this thing to keep it from moving around. You can see in the last storm it tore up my American flag, so I'll have to replace that next time. All steel, even the deck is steel. Gotta get some new hatch, plastic for the hatches. Glass windows in the front here, but the side windows are all plastic, which I'll have to replace. Now we got various rust around here we're gonna have to take care of. So let's drop on inside here. Start back here. It's actually a king-sized bed. Got a massive jacuzzi bathtub here. I mean, this thing is like, look at this, I'll walk inside of it. I mean, that's crazy. It's huge. You fit about 3 people or 4 people on that thing. Got dual sinks there. Little heater up there. Got our helm here. Some old equipment. Another little fireplace here. Our engine room down there. That'll be a separate tour. Got these massive freezer and refrigerator in here. I mean, you could fit, like 2 people in each one. Washer and dryer. This used to be actually a dental office. There actually was a gimbaled dental chair right here. And actually I still have it. There was a drill that attaches to a bracket sitting there behind that crap. Beautiful woodwork in this. Arcade floors. It's got a Cummins 555 diesel engine, a diesel generator. All right, well, that's it for this video.